As a professional new energy commercial vehicle parts supplier, Molead is committed to providing comprehensive parts solutions for commercial vehicle partners and supplying more efficient, more reliable and more intelligent products for customers. Molead has been engaged in the R&D and manufacturing of auto parts for more than 20 years. We provide diversified products and services such as new energy systems, powertrains, automotive electronics, interior and exterior trims, and thermal management systems. We master the core new energy technologies of battery, motor and electric control with a complete product layout. We provide mature charging solutions such as commercial high-power charging piles, we also provide parts and components including air conditioning system, thermal management system, seats, interior and exterior trims and adjustable instrument, with complete production capacity of core parts and components for new energy commercial vehicles. Our products sold well in more than 130 countries and regions around the world. Molead ensures rapid development with continuous innovation. Every year, we invest more than 12% of the annual revenue into R&D and have built a number of industry-leading test labs and mastered the complete test verification capabilities. Possessing multiple automatic final assembly lines and adhering to the scientific management concept of quality first, we provide reliable and stable parts and components. Product delivery is a new beginning. We provide customers with reliable full life cycle services of vehicle operation through more than 1,800 after-sales service outlets around the world. In Thailand and Chile, pure electric mining trucks equipped with Molead batteries have been operated 28,000 kilometers without any fault. In Uzbekistan, with the lowest temperature of -40 degrees Celsius, Molead charging piles distributed in 8 stations have been operating trouble-free for 3,000 hours. In the Qatar Top Football event, more than 1,500 premium buses are equipped with Molead's air conditioners, axles, seats, interior and exterior trims, etc. Today, new energy vehicles equipped with Molead components have travelled a total of 26.67 billion kilometres, safeguarding safe travel and gaining more and more recognition. In the new era of automobile industry transformation, with continuous innovation in intelligence, networking and lightweight, Molead is committed to continuously providing advanced technology, reliable products and high-quality services worldwide. Meet the green with travel and comfort. On the road, in the future. Molead, for quality and more, creating greater value for customers.